Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound dollar did make a pretty nice impulsive move down yesterday. We got a little bit of a minor break of structure right here. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. For me, if it breaks this low right here, that's what's going to change my daily time frame from being up to being down. And if the daily time frame does turn down, that probably would turn me into a seller looking for pullbacks to sell for at least a week or more. But we have to keep in mind that it really hasn't proven that yet. So this potentially could be an A, B, C. So if it goes down to like the 78%, makes an impulsive turn back up, I would definitely still take it as a long because the higher time frame trends are definitely still up. On the other hand, if it doesn't do that, but instead maybe just makes a little bounce, it goes down, breaks this structure, that's what's going to turn me into a seller on pullbacks from that point forward potentially for the next several weeks, which would be great news for us. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.